Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Softech. In this video, we are going to talk about the rotate option and the scale option. Let's start the video first. So here you can see that we have an object. Let's see how we can rotate this object and how we can increase or decrease the size of the object. First of all, let's see how we can rotate this object. Click over the rotate icon. Now select this object, then press enter. Now specify the best point. Here you can see that we can rotate this object very easily in any direction. If you want this object should be rotated in a particular angle, then we have to provide the rotation angle. So here I am providing the rotation angle 90 degree, then press enter. Now you can see that the object is rotated along the 90 degree. Now let's see the keyboard command for the rotate option, and the keyboard command is arrow, then press enter. Now select this object, then again press enter. Now specify the best point. We can rotate this object by the help of the second method, and the second method is by copying this object first and after that providing the rotation angle, so that we have an object which we can easily see that. So let's copy this object first. Click over the copy. So here you can see that the object is copied. Now we want to rotate this object. So let's provide the rotation angle 65 degree, then press enter. Here you can see that the object is rotated along the 65 degree angle. Now let's do the scaling. With the help of the scale option, now select this object, then press enter. Specify the base point. Now provide the scale factor value. Here I am providing the scale factor 1 inch. So here you can see that the object size is increased. Now let's talk about the keyboard command for the scale. And the keyboard command is SC, then press enter. Now select this object, then press enter, specifying the base point. Let's copy this object first, and after that we will increase or decrease the size of the object. So for doing that, click over the copy. Here the object is copied. Now let's increase the size. Zero feet 2 inches. So here you can see that the size of the object is increased. Now let's decrease the size of the object. So select this object first, then go to the scale option. Now specify the base point. Now provide the scale factor. Before providing the scale factor, let's copy it once again. So click over the copy. Now we want to decrease the size of this object. So here you can see that the object is decreased. We have decreased the object size. Now let's talk about the location. So you will get it in the modified menu bar. Secondly, you will get it from the ribbon bar, and at last you will get it from the modified toolbar. So this is for all today. If anyone is new in this channel, then please subscribe to my channel Civil Softech. and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the latest videos. Like this video, share it, and do comments in the comment section. We are going to meet in the next videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.